Jeremy Clarkson has admitted he needs to do something about his health. The claim comes after he revealed he sometimes struggles to get his breath back whilst on jaunts with his son, Clarkson. The former Grand Tour presenter has discussed exercise in his latest column and has announced that he sometimes doesn't find the time to move. The revelations come as new research revealed that walking at a quicker pace could decrease the chance of developing type 2 diabetes. Writing in the Sunday Times this weekend, Jeremy, 63, revealed that he is a busy man. Due to writing for various national newspapers, running Clarkson's farm and presenting shows across ITV and Amazon, he finds that he can't reach a step goal. So when I hear that a man of my age should do 10,000 steps a day, I just think, right, and how on earth would I find the time to do that? He said. The father of 3 also admitted that while he does walk his dogs every day, he only seems to do a maximum of 2,000 steps. Speaking about walking to Stamford Bridge with his son Finlo, 26, the ex-BBC star revealed that he sometimes can't keep up. When I go with my son to Stamford Bridge, he pootles along at what people call walking pace, and to keep up I have to unleash my inner Bannister, he wrote. Which means that for the first half of the match I can't concentrate on the football because I'm too busy coughing up my spleen and trying to get my breath back, he added. Elsewhere in the column, the TV star discussed his eating and drinking habits. Jeremy revealed that he does try, occasionally, to be good, and recently embarked on a juice cleanse. However, upon returning home from the retreat, he realized that man cannot live on melons and beetroot alone. The former Top Gear presenter's thoughts come after a new report claimed that increasing your walking speed could lower your risk of diabetes. The findings, published in the Times, claimed that if you walk 0.6 miles per hour faster, it would reduce the chance of diabetes contraction by 9%. If I could get up to 4 miles per hour, then there'd be a 39% lower risk, said Jeremy. However, he further claimed that many people neither have the time nor the will to do anything about their health.